This is not the first time rumors about a Lamborghini bike. Previously, a Lamborghini Design 90 was released. The Lamborghini Design 90 was developed by Lamborghini in cooperation with Kawasaki and released in the 90s. Recently, the media has revealed the superbike design called Lamborghini Design 30, which seems to inherit the DNA from the Lamborghini Sian supercar. Previously, Lamborghini collaborated with Ducati to launch several bikes, but these bikes only have the same paint color as Lamborghini supercars. It seems that now Lamborghini has made the move to launch bikes with Lamborghini specific designs, and maybe they will continue to cooperate with Ducati. Due to the cooperation between Lamborghini and Ducati, the Lamborghini Design 30, if released, will be equipped with a new hydrogen engine instead of Ducati's usual V4 engines. Lamborghini is a high-end car company, so their bikes are also high-end bikes. So the engines that power their bikes are likely to be hydrogen engines and electric motors. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and like, share this video. Thank you and see you.